I was just like, wait a second, am I? When it crashes. Usually when it's raining, they try to. But I'm not good with editing, so yeah, I didn't get that. Something that you can just put right in. No, this is so far so good. I don't even know.
That sign, there are about 6 to 10 steps that are very narrow steps. Most of us are going to have to sidestep. Give the person in front of you plenty of time to navigate those steps and use the handrails, please. There are some puddles down there. You can walk to the left or to the right.
Oh, this.
The stalagmites that might meet the ceiling. Now the cave did originally open up publicly in 1870, and sometime during the original owner's owning of the cave. So today, if we could pick this piece up, it would fit like a puzzle piece right in this section. And then I'm going to have everybody look behind you. On this side, we have to drop the ceiling down. So today, if we could drop this section of the ceiling down, it would fit like a puzzle piece over this area. It has lots of magnesium. And then across the way, there's glowstone signings, glowstone or stalactites, dripping on a curved surface versus dripping on the cave ground. So that is one of the reasons why it is so crystal clear. The other reason is we don't get sunlight down here.
Excuse me, is that the outline of Canada?
So way out there, that tiny little stretch of land you see on the horizon, that is all mainland Canada. The islands that are closer, so the two furthest out islands from here, so you have Middle Bass, North Bass, those are still Ohio. And then behind that you have East Sister on the right, or East Sister on the left, pardon, Penn on the right. And those are both Canadian as well.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Of course.